and welcome to the walkthrough for the HERME icon set. So the first thing to note is that this icon set has been created outside of Canva. So if you would like to edit these images, then you can either head over to 4thstreetcreative.com/tutorials, and we have a how to edit PNG files online for free. All of these icons have been included as separate icons in your zip file. So if you open up your zip folder, it will be all there for you. All you have to do is upload them to a program online to change the coloring. So what you want to do is head over to adjust, and then you're going to play around with these settings here. So what you can do is play around with the brightness and make it completely black if that's what you'd like. The contrast, if you want white, you're going to put the contrast up, the brightness up, and then that makes it white. And then otherwise, if you're looking for a specific color, I would just keep the brightness and contrast and everything else the same and head over to tint and just look for a color here that works, that is close enough to what you're looking for. You can also head over to filter and try different filters that will change the color, and then there's the intensity where you can change the intensity as well. And once you're happy with your icon set, you just head over to download, and if you download them as a PNG file, they will be transparent, and that is perfect because you usually want to place these on business cards or print marketing, and it's always best to have a transparent background so you don't have that white box around it. And if you are designing directly in Canva, no need to download. You just select it, and then you right-click copy, and then you bring it into another one of your designs, like this one, and you right-click paste, and then you can minimize it as small as you want, and then I would head over to adjust and make this white so that you can see it. And it is just that simple. And that's it. I hope that that was helpful, and if you need any more help, please feel free to head over to 4thstreetcreative.com/tutorials. Happy designing!